Let's put it in sport mode. Well, the sound will
Oh,
change.
no.
Are you ready, Mom?
Yes, I am.
You sure?
Yes, I am. हाँ, अच्छा इसमें यही दिखता है संजय.
This is Mom's first time driving a Lamborghini, especially this one. So.
And I'm going to do a little bit over here.
Okay. So you have to rotate that. So.
This is not manual, so.
Yeah, it's not a manual. Although Mom used to drive a manual in India.
Yeah. So is it that I'm going to do the manual thing? No.
No. Just to put it in first gear. Like in your Civic, you put it in drive, right? Just pull this.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's in first gear.
Wow. So I'm going. Amazing. I am driving Lamborghini Sterrato.
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye. And I'm going to have this fun. Oh my gosh. What a drive. Oh my gosh. Like if I'll press the gas, that will be crazy. Oh my gosh, the water.
You just went through the water.
Wow, my heart is like thumping, but I'm feeling so good.
You're doing great.
Yeah, thank you so much. I can't believe that I am driving Sterrato, Lamborghini Sterrato. Wow, and in this nice valley. Amazing. So tell me, it's a beautiful day, right?
It is a nice day.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Definitely we should go for a ride, and I am on the ride. Okay.
Okay, let's reverse.
So let's
We're gonna reverse.
Okay.
So put foot on the brake and just pull this. Yeah, you're doing
Yes,
great.
I don't want to drive in any mud. It's a
I mean, you
beautiful
can, it is a Sterrato, but.
No. I don't want my tire to get some mud. No.
Yeah.
This is sports car though. Yeah, I know.
And let's put it in sport mode. Well, the sound will
Oh,
change.
no.
No, it's okay. It'll just sound different. So
Okay.
just pull this red tab down.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, it won't change much. Just
And then
different
just
the
I have
sound.
to maneuver
Yeah.
same way.
Same way.
So it's I'm just enjoying my day with a nice ride in my car, this Lamborghini Sterrato on sports mode. It's actually a really good feeling when day is beautiful and I am the sports car. Yeah, it's beautiful.
All right, Mom, let's give it some gas. Just press on the gas.
All right,
Go for it. Go for it.
That's a water puddle. I'm going to do that in a sports car. And I'm going to wash my tire.
Okay.
And now.
Nice braking.
Yes. Wow.
Great job, Mom.
Because you told me not to drive in mud. So I thought, okay, let me wash this Lambo Sterrato tire. And I drove on water.
Yeah, you did drive on water. Are you ready, Mom?
Yes, I am.
You sure?
Yes, I am.
Just a little bit of gas.
Wow. Yeah. When you say, are you ready? Then I have to hold my breath. And then I have to be prepared for that one, for that fun.
So I want to know, what are some things that you like about this car?
This car, first of all, I like the look of this. First thing, definitely from outside, I think everybody love it. The look of this car and the look and shape of this car is amazing.
Yeah.
And today I drove for the first time, and inside it was so comfy, and the feeling of that it was very ground to earth. That was the other thing. The maneuver and everything, that was so smooth.
Yeah, the reverse was pretty good, right?
It was pretty good. Camera, the back camera and everything is really good.
Yeah.
So nice. And the steering wheel, I like it, like how smooth it is.
Ready?
And also I like the sound of this.